Omo guys, no be small thing o. Rema don vex waka comot for stage at Dreamville Festival in North Carolina midway into his performance on Sunday. He para give the show organizers say make dem give am the same sound quality as Western counterparts on international stage. Make una watch the video to see as him para for the stage.
Hold on. Yo, there's too many sound issues. It's messing up my whole performance. I'm seriously not feeling this shit at all. You know? It's too messed up. I'm representing Africa. This is too messed up.
Africa in the building, baby.
So the sound cannot be perfect for every artist that get on this stage, and Africa is in the house and you're messing shit up. I'll walk out the stage.
Guys, let me know what you think of his reaction on this video, and please don't forget to drop your comment